checked it out, TCPAworld.com.
I think they know the address, but keep going.
Katz versus Liberty, a very interesting case going on there. Plaintiffs suing on behalf of 4 classes, punitive classes. Katz is trying to bring in David Hernandez into the case. Basically, the case, call center, Liberty is calling people. Katz he's been around, everybody kind of knows who he is. Trying to bring in Hernandez into the case, and the court, he's trying to actually do a Third Amendment complaint. They struck it down. Court ended up saying that on the long-arm statutes, he wasn't transacting business there. There was no omission. So, yeah, it was a really good win for that guy and a pretty good win for Liberty.
Who is that guy? Who's David Hernandez?
So he was the CEO of these companies. And what ended up
that part out.
So he was the CEO of these companies. He actually he quit before they went under. The company went under, and basically the judge in court ruled that he had no business in that state. And he lived in Florida. He wasn't in that state at all. So it was a good win for him. As you know, Katz likes to sue people. So
yeah, so we have to unpackage this, right, for everybody, because like that's the takeaway. Like, you buried the lead. We're gonna work on you, Duke. You never bury the lead. The lead here is that Katz, repeat litigator Katz, sued the CEO of Liberty Power. Now, the company went down. The CEO didn't go down with the ship. He leapt off the ship and ran away. But Katz went and sued him. So this is something that everyone has to keep in mind, right? You can be personally sued. We just talked about the guys that defaulted for $500K, right? But this is a class action, right? The damages here are 100 times higher potentially. And Mr. Hernandez, a former CEO, was facing direct personal individual liability for his home, his bank accounts, his cars, right? He is potentially on the hook.